Nakul Brahmachari Sripat. Nakul Brahmachari Sripat.
Nakul Brahmachari.
It's written on the gate.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Bol. Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Bol. Jaharani kate gale, aavadure jaaye. Jaharani se paavadure.
House of Nakul Brahmachari. Who is Nakul Brahmachari? The Mahaprabhu's very intimate devotee. When Mahaprabhu possessed in his body, possessed, the ghost possessed, the Mahaprabhu's spirit possessed in the body of Nakul Brahmachari. So this place actually name is Ambu Muluk. But now present name is Peiriganj or Piari Nagur. It is near Bagnapala. The name is Bandel Katwa, this train line, Bagnapala station, nearby. So anyway, there is a mention about this possessed. Actually, you may think, how is it possible? Mahaprabhu's spirit possessed one body. It's not possible. But the proof from Chaitanya Charitamrita that I am reading now. Ambu amuluke hoy Nakul Brahmachari Parama Vaishnavate ho bado adhikari. Ambu amuluke Nakul Brahmachari is from Ambu Amuluk. It was the place, this place before name was Ambu Amuluk. Therefore says Ambu Amuluke hoy Nakul Brahmachari Param Vaishnavate ho bado adhikari. Param and elevated Vaishnava. Elevated Vaishnava. Exalted Vaishnava. Why exalted? Gauro deshere loko nistarite mon hoilo Nakul hridaye Prabhu avesho korilo. In order to deliver all the people from the Gaura Desh, means Bengal, whatever Lord Chaitanya manifest first time, and his devotee born, all this, all the places, it's called Gaura Desh. In order to deliver all the people from that territory, the Mahaprabhu possessed in the heart of Nakul Brahmachari. In the heart of Nakul Brahmachari. Am I clear? Groho gasto praya Nakul prema vishto hayya Hashe kande nache gaye unmatto hayya. As Mahaprabhu used to dance in a static manner, same manner, Nakul Brahmachari. Someone may say pretending. This is not called, this is no question of pretending. It was fact that Lord Chaitanya had to deliver surrounding all the area, Gaura Mandal area, to deliver all the people. So Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu possessed in the heart of Nakul Brahmachari. Am I clear?
What is difference, possessed and reside?
Possessed.
What difference?
Avesh. Reside. Oshu reside means Mahaprabhu sometime possessed, sometime not possessed. Reside means always. He said Mahaprabhu. You are Mahaprabhu existing. Yes, you are always.
Crazy.
Why? Then how Mahaprabhu used to do the Oshu, Kampo, Stambo, Seth, Sattik Vikar. Ashto Sattik Vikar, an ecstatic mood, exalted symptom. Oshu means tear. Who can feel tear? We are separation. Mahaprabhu's separation was Krishna, the mood of Radha. So the separation, Kampo, stumbling, shaking, Stambo, grave, shade, Sattik Vikar, all the goodness symptom. And then Nirantar Premenitto Shaghana Hunkar. Nirantar means constantly. Preme Nitto means with full of love, dancing. Sometime how Mahaprabhu Hunkar. Hunkar means shouting. That all symptom what Mahaprabhu used to do everything. The possessed was showing that in the character of Nakul Brahmachari. So Toiche Gaura Kanti, Toiche Sada Premabesh, Taha Dekhibare Aishe Sarva Gaura Desh. So Mahaprabhu's all symptom with this Brahmachari. So all the devotees from different part of Gaura Desh, they are coming to see Nakul Brahmachari. Jare dekhe tare kahe, kaho Krishna naam, tahar darshane lok hoye premadvam. Whoever visiting, whoever he see, he just says, Kaho means chant. What? Krishna Naam, Hare Krishna Naam, Mantra Naam. And that person who is coming to visit Nakul Brahmachari, they also feel blissful, loving connection with him. Chaitanya Abeshaya Nakule Dehe. This is the end. Chaitanya Abeshaya Nakule Dehe. In the body of Nakul, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu possessed. Shuni Shivananda Aila Koriha Sandehi. Shivananda said, he has said, what? Ghost can possess. How Mahaprabhu can possess? There's some doubt about it. Naturally, if I see the Prabhupada possessed like Govinda Maharaj, actually Govinda Maharaj is pretending Srila Prabhupada, right? But you can catch Govinda Maharaj. He is pretending as a Prabhupada inside my heart. But some cases it's happening. The Nakul Brahmachari, that happened. Nakul Brahmachari death, I Bangla পড়ছে ইংরেজি করেছে না দুবার করে পড়ে নকুল ব্রহ্মচারীর দেহেতে মহাপ্রভুর আবেশ হয়েছে সমস্ত ভক্তরা এসে তা দর্শন করছেন বহু ভক্ত আসছে যাচ্ছে শ্রী নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী আবিষ্ট হয়ে মহাপ্রভুর ন্যায় হাস্য উদণ্ড নৃত্য ক্রন্দন করতেন কাছড়াপাড়া থেকে শিবানন্দ সেনের মনে সন্দেহ হলো there is a devotee and actually বহু ভক্ত they are so many devotees they have some doubt about so like I have doubt with Govinda Maharaj I explained same how is it possible Mahaprabhu the Supreme Lord how he can possess the body of Govinda actually who is Supreme Lord in the form of Paramatma with everyone. But if we are that purity we have, the Lord can, that is also explanation, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna bhakte Krishner gun shakali sanchare. Whatever the quality of Krishna gradually transcend according to purity, transcend to devotee of Krishna. We cannot ignore it. Nakul Brahmachari also such exalted Vaishnava. Though when this thing going on, one devotee from Kacharapada, not so far from there, Kacharapada, named Shivananda Sen. Some doubt, is it? I have some doubt about it. Okay, if it is so, I want to test him. He is staying far from here. He is staying far from here. But that day, Nakul Brahmachari said, hey, that place Shivananda Sen is there. Call him. That is it. I hope that this is right. Nakul Brahmachari abiষ্ট হয়ে মহাপ্রভুর হাস্য উদণ্ড নৃত্য ক্রন্দন করতেন and Mahaprabhu possessed that time Nakul Brahmachari hasya smiling laughing krandan crying smile laughing crying is it possible definitely is a crazy you can see is a crazy person when they're laughing that's the matter that is the meaning when they're crying laughing crying there is no meaning but hence meaning ecstatic realization devotional realization Krishna appeared laughing Krishna may disappear crying Prabhu don't leave me don't leave me alone you know there is a Krishna Das Kavira Krishna Babaji Goswami Maharaj was in Gokul Mahavan Dauji Mandir this thing happened one day it was 7 or 8 a.m. that Krishna there's a time for Krishna's cow herding time Krishna going for cow herding all of a sudden in the temple he was sitting there and then he was Krishna, don't leave me alone here. I want to go with you. Don't do another effect. All the pandas were there in Gokul Mahavan, Dauji temple. They are astonished to see such type of mood. They never saw such type of exalted devotee. Then they took the water and sprinkling the water on his face. Then Krishna. Then Babaji Maharaj, what happened? Hare Krishna, just living from here with for cowarding Krishna, Balaram, Siddham, Sudam, Damba, Sudam, everybody. They don't want to take with me. Then they don't want to take with them. They don't want to take me with them. It's a such type of explanation. Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj and explain it in the home. It's really Siddha Baba. From that day, they used to call Krishna Babaji Goswami Maharaj, or Gurudeva Godfather. My Gurudeva was a very dearmost friend, you can say. That Siddha Baba. So, there is কাকিরাপাড়া থেকে শিবানন্দ সেনের সমনে সন্দেহ হলো, তিনি ভাবলেন সত্যি কি আমার প্রভু নকুলের দেহে আবেশিত হয়েছে। তিনি সন্দেহ করে তাকে দর্শন করার জন্য আসছিলেন। আস্তে আস্তে চিন্তা করলেন মহাপ্রভু অন্তর্যামী, তো আমি যে তাকে দর্শন করতে এসেছি নিশ্চয়ই তিনি তা জানতে পারবেন। আজ আমি তাকে পরীক্ষা করব। আমি সরাসরি নকুল ব্রহ্মচারীর যাব না, দূরে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকব। অন্তর্যামী প্রভু যদি ভক্ত দ্বারা আমাকে ডেকে পাঠান আর আমার ইষ্ট মন্ত্র যদি বলতে পারেন, তাহলে বুঝবো আমার প্রভু সত্যি নকুলের দেহে আবিষ্ট হয়েছেন। তো নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী such things are there. And Shivananda said, Mahaprabhu, direct associate. And so he is thinking that, I want to see. So he is coming, he is nearby, and then he saw it. Mahaprabhu is Antarjami. Mahaprabhu can read everybody's hijab, everybody's heart in the form of Paramatma. So if he really, Mahaprabhu possessed in the body of Nakul Brahmachari, then I can see, he can recognize, he should call me to his devotee. Like Sanatana Goswami went to Varanasi, and then Mahaprabhu was in the house of Chandrasekhar, and the Chandrasekhar go out. There is a Vaishnava sitting there, and waiting for him. Call him. Sanatana Goswami was now the proper Vaishnava outfit. So that Chandrasekhar came out of the home and looked all over, there is no Vaishnava coming back. Returned to home, Mahaprabhu said, where is Vaishnava? Then Chandrasekhar said, there is no Vaishnava. No, should be someone there. Yes, there is there. Muslim beggar, fakir, mandapir, darbesh. And Muslim beggar type. He is Vaishnava calling. Even Mahaprabhu explained he is Vaishnava call him, but still he has doubt. Still he has doubt that he should, he just called him, "Oh Darvesh, come to my room." When Darvesh entered to home, Chandrasekhar's home, then Mahaprabhu coming out of his room, running towards him for embracing. And Darvesh says, "Prabhu, I'm untouchable, don't touch me." And Mahaprabhu says, Sanatan, I feel myself purified to touch you. I am feeling myself purified by touching you. So here, so similarly, Nakul Brahmachari is there, and in mind he is thinking, if he really Mahaprabhu possessed, so he will send someone to call me. And if he able to say what is my Ishta mantra, what mantra I am chanting. Then Nakul Brahmachari sent one messenger. There is a Shivananda Sen from Kachanapada. He is there waiting for me. So please call him. As soon as he reaches, he says, you are chanting four akshar, 4-word Gopal mantra. Isn't it? Then Shivananda accepted. So I have to wait for Bengali people now. আজ আমি তাকে পরীক্ষা করব, সরাসরি নকল মতে যাব না, দূরে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবো। অন্তর্যামী প্রভু যদি ভক্ত দ্বারা আমাকে দেখে পাঠান আর আমার ইষ্টমন্ত্র যদি বলতে পারেন, তাহলে বুঝবো আমার প্রভু সত্যি নকুলের দিয়ে আবিষ্ট হয়েছেন। Really, then I realized that my Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is possessed in the body of, in the heart of Nakul Brahmachari. Brahmachari কয়ে শিবানন্দ আছে দূরে। এরকম চিন্তা করে শিবানন্দ সেন কাউকে কিছু না জানিয়ে, and Shivananda Sen never said anything. In mind he was thinking. And then Nakul Brahmachari grihe sammukhe, janatar mukhe, so many people are standing here. Then he says, hey, Brahmachari ka Shivananda ache dure. Shivananda little far, he is standing for me. John dui chari jao. John dui means 2 or 4 people should go and actually bring him here. সঙ্গে সঙ্গে কয়েকজন ভক্ত ছুটে গিয়ে চিৎকার করে বললেন, শিবানন্দ সেন কে আছো? So 2 or 4 people were going out and then shouting with the name, who is the Shivananda Sen? Please come down here in the Shivananda Sen house. এই কথা শুনে শিবানন্দ সেন তাড়াতাড়ি ব্রহ্মচারী নিকটে এসে প্রণাম করলেন। As soon as Shivananda Sen heard it, then he also, Shivananda Sen, with a quick manner, came to near Nakul Brahmachari and paying prostrated obeisance. As soon as the person, then সেই সময় নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী বললেন, শিবানন্দ তুমি সন্দেহ করো, you are doubting me. কেন? why? আমার গৌর গোপাল, তোমার গৌর গোপাল মন্ত্র 4 অক্ষর। your গৌর গোপাল মন্ত্র only 4 word. গৌর গোপাল মন্ত্র আর 4 অক্ষর, অবিশ্বাস ছাড়ো সেই কইরা ছন্তর। Whatever inside you are thinking, not believing, that leave it. Now you believe, right? This Mahaprabhu says through this Nakul Brahmachari. Shivananda said, তখন নকুল ব্রহ্মচারীদের সত্যি মহাপ্রভুর আবেশ দেখে তাকে বহু সম্মান ও ভক্তি করতে লাগলেন। After that, Shivananda Sen doubt cured and he respect Nakul Brahmachari as good as the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. এখানে নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী সেবিত সেই নটরাজ গৌরাঙ্গ বিগ্রহ বর্তমান আছেন। নকুল ব্রহ্মচারীর সমাধিস্থল আছে। There is also Samadhi here, Samadhi place here. Please visit the Samadhi, and I also paid off today's Rajbhog. Today's Rajbhog I paid off. I also paid off. Also I want to pay each temple one day Rajbhog. So whoever wants to, নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী এমন একটা শুদ্ধ ভক্ত যার শরীরেতে মহাপ্রভুর আবেশ হতো। যেমন বাংলা আছে না, ভূত ধরে ভূতের আবেশ হয়েছে, ঘর হচ্ছে বলে না, ঘর হচ্ছে বলে না, হ্যাঁ, তো সবসময় হয় না, তো ওটা সময় হয়, সেই ভরটা ভরের মধ্যে। এখন সত্যি করে হয় কি না, এখন নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী সবাই আসে, মহাপ্রভু ভর হয়। আমাদের পাড়াতেই ছিল, শীতলা ঠাকুরের ভর হয়, কালী ঠাকুরের ভর হয়, ভর হয়। এখন এরকম ধরনের মহাপ্রভু ভর হতো সে জায়গায় বাংলা। আজ হয়তো আমার হৃদয় বাংলা হয়ে যেত,
পুরোনো যুগে চলছিল।
যাও শুনুন, ঘটনা হচ্ছে ভর হচ্ছে হচ্ছে আর সবাই আসছে। নকুল মোহাম্মদের কাঁচরাপাড়া বাড়ি এখানে এসে যখন শুনলো এটা সত্যি করে নাকি, আমার মহাপ্রভু আসল কেন, আমার এটা হবে কেন, এই সন্দেহ করে আসছে। তারপর আস্তে আস্তে বললো যদি সত্যি করে মহাপ্রভুর ভর হয় তাহলে আমাকে বুঝতে হবে, তাহলে আমি এখানে দূরে আছি, কি করে আমার ডেকে না দেবো। মহাপ্রভু অন্তর জানবে, আমার অন্তর কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে নিশ্চয়ই জানতে পারবে। কিন্তু দূরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, তখন এখানে মোহাম্মদ বলছে যাও ওখানে শিবানন্দ সেন দাঁড়িয়ে আছে অমুক জায়গায়, সেখান থেকে তুমি ওকে ডেকে নিয়ে আসবে। আর নকুল ব্রহ্মচারী শিবানন্দ সেন চিন্তা করছে আমার কি ইষ্টমন্ত্র যদি বলতে পারে, আমাকে যদি ডেকে নিতে পারে, তাহলে বুঝবো মহাপ্রভু ভর হচ্ছে। তো ডেকেও নিলেন, ইষ্টমন্ত্র বললেন, তোমার 4 অক্ষরের ইষ্টমন্ত্র, হ্যাঁ গৌরফল মন্ত্র তুমি করো। তখন থেকে শিবানন্দ সেন একদম সাষ্টাঙ্গ দণ্ডবত প্রণাম করলেন আর সমস্ত সন্দেহ মুছে ফেলে দিলেন। ঠিক আছে, এই হচ্ছে কথা। হরে কৃষ্ণ।